all. Welcome to One Saka Academy. We wish you a very happy learning. In this session, we will explain how to write VBA code to automate the process of replicating records from individual sheets to master sheets of an Excel workbook. Any record entered by the user in individual sheets gets copied to the master sheet. Even the change and deletion of records from individual sheets also get replicated to the master sheet. I will be sharing the VBA code in the comments section so that you can use it for your personal or professional use. Let's have a demonstration before we move to logic. Here you can see the Excel having a master sheet and other individual sheets, Sheet 1, SHEET 2 and Sheet 3. When I enter a record in Sheet 1, you can see the records being replicated. Change and delete gets replicated as well. Let us move towards a solution. Click on Developer, select View Code, double-click on the This Workbook. This is the place where code will be written that controls all the sheets including the master sheet of this Excel workbook. The steps below set references to sheets. Find the last used row and column in the source sheet. Define the range including the header in the source sheet. Disable events to avoid triggering the change event recursively. Update the master sheet. Find the last used row in the master sheet. Clear existing data in the master sheet, excluding the header. And copy data from the source sheet to the master sheet. Thank you for visiting One Saka Academy. If you find the session useful, please leave a comment for us, like and do subscribe to stay tuned for our upcoming learning sessions.